your estimate printed off. On the roof stuff, it's gonna be pretty much normal stuff. I mainly wanted to go over the interior.
Okay.
With the roof stuff, I can work with you on some of these line items, like the rich cap.
Did you see the pictures of the rusted, damaged aluminum flashing rain caps and collars on the HVAC pipes up top?
No, I did not. I think
they're included in there.
I
don't think so.
Oh, no?
I don't think so. Not the flange. Yes, I don't think we're the flange, the pipe jack flange, the aluminum pipe jack flange was included, but you included the rain cap, I believe.
Okay.
So we're going to have an HVAC company give us an estimate and supplement for that, to include for that.
For a flue? What line is that? It's a unique one. I usually don't get that one.
Let's see. It would be this one here. Now that encompasses the flange itself.
Okay. This is for the pipe jack.
Yes, it's called, in Xactimate it's called the pipe jack. But the picture of it is the actual pipe jack flange that goes over that stack pipe.
Alright, take a look at that. Is that a code item?
It is a code item per 2012 IRC code. All existing flashings, any part of flashings needs to be replaced, part of the roof system.
Well, then it'd be replaced, it has to exist.
Yeah, it exists.
Well, exactly.
Yeah.
So it doesn't have to be replaced. That's pretty common. Roofers think that.
Well, no, it does exist. What the code says is that it has to be all existing flashings a part of the roof system has to be replaced if damaged, rusted, or deteriorated.
Okay.
And I've got pictures of it rusted.
Okay. Okay.
So that's what I was
presenting.
work
Work with you on that. But yeah.
We also the brick counter flashing on the front here. We're going to have a mason replace that counter flashing that's cut into the brick.
Is it rusted?
It will be damaged once we tear the old off, and the roofers are going to replace the step flashing.
Yeah, it probably requires to be existing.
Yeah, it's existing.
Then why would we replace it?
Because it's going to be damaged upon tear off.
Yeah, no, why are you
because all existing flashings have to be replaced.
No, they don't. They don't. Yeah, no, they have to exist.
Well, you see the step flashing and counter flashing exists, correct?
So for us, it's not, it has to be damaged by a covered cause of loss. We have a fundamental disagreement. If you let me finish, we have a fundamental disagreement with your interpretation of the code. Nothing new. We've been through this with you guys over and over again. I don't want to get into it in front of the insured. So there's a few things on the roof we can add. We can account for the interior, but we're going to write it like we normally
Now,
write
I can't talk about coverage or policy, but what I can talk about is code and coverage.
So code, what you're talking about is a specific portion of the code you're talking about is for new construction.
It's not for new construction. I will show you the code where it says any re-roof.
Okay.
I'll show you the code. I'll educate you on it.
I need you to educate me. What we're going to do is go on the inside and get measurements for the rooms that we don't have in our estimate.
Okay.
We're going to rewrite our estimate, send it to you. You guys can agree to it, not agree to it, and then we go from there. But we're not.
Yeah, but
I can tell you right now, we're not going to get anywhere near your estimate. Did you write this or did
I wrote that.